If you have mangoes in your kitchen, you can make this refreshing mango juice yourself. Cut your mangoes, put it in the blender, add 1 cup of milk, or you can even put more. You can even add some water if you like. If you don't like, it's okay. Please follow me, like, share for more easy recipe. Blend it. Yeah, as you see, mine, it is well blended. This is so nice, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Then after blending, take out your blender, take out your juice from the blender, put in your favorite glass. As you see, I have mine, and you have your mango juice. Wow, so yummy. Thanks guys for watching. Bye, I love you.